Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to reset keyboard setting on Samsung phone. So let's get started. At first go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down and now tap on General Management. Now click here, scroll down, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Click here. Now scroll down, tap on reset to default settings. Now click here and tap on reset keyboard settings. Now click here. Reset keyboard setting. Downloaded language should not be deleted. Now click here reset option. Now click here. By doing this process, you can reset keyboard settings on Samsung phone. Thank you.